Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. Let me start by telling you why I created this channel and how it is different from another YouTube channel out there. Our channel is going to help you learn to code and transform your career in your dream tech job. All videos in the channel is for absolute beginners. I'll teach all things A to Z. I know many people are looking for a go-to video tutorials, and what I can say is there are plenty of high quality tutorials online, as well as extensive and knowledgeable tutors available. You already know it, right? However, finding a tutor with full-on support is simply quite rare, isn't it? You may ask, what does this mean? Let me be straightforward so that it's easy for you to understand. Starting to learn any new subject is not easy, right? The easiest thing in any field might seem like the hardest thing in your life. I believe guidance is the most important thing for everyone to succeed. That is why I am here. I am always available for you, just a fingertip away. You can reach me by email and I promise to give you my full support. Whatever your struggle might be, a coding problem, installation, or issues with your code, I give you the support to boost up your confidence. You don't have to tackle with any more tutorial nor feel stressed about giving up. That is why I am offering full-on support for free. You can contact me anytime you want. I'll reply and you will get all your questions answered. That is the difference between Happy Coding for Everyone channel and others. I am going to cover lots of subjects for you guys from scratch. We will work on real-world projects such as front-end design and an admin panel design. What will you learn from videos? Our first tutorial series is going to start with HTML, CSS, Sass Bootstrap and Intro to Javascript. We will do some small projects towards the end of each section. After completing all subjects, we will start to work on real-world examples, such as creating an entire website design using the most up-to-date technologies in the course. Let's have a look at some example project overview. First project is about creating sections on the page. We generally create header, footer, menu, and content section to make our website user-friendly. All projects must be responsive. It means we should see the design nicely when we browse it on mobile devices such as your mobile phone or tablets. We call it mobile-friendly design. This is a very important point in any project. The second project is about modification to footer and navigation bar. That's all mobile friendly. That one is just about creating a mobile friendly navigation bar. And that one is different navigation bar with hover effects. And that one is sort of CSS trick for creating different designs with buttons. The other one is file uploading area design, drag and drop. You can click and upload any file. That one is a full website design example. I have used HTML and CSS and it's fully responsive website as you can see. We will work on lots of projects in this tutorial. That one is a login page. There are some animation with hover effects. That one is a left side menu example with hover effect. And that one looks like similar but using a little bit different design use. You can use sort of design when you design an admin panel. And all of them are responsive as you can see. The other one is a Bootstrap web design. You can click on the menu, it goes to a related area automatically. And when you click the contact, a window pop-up automatically appears. You will learn all these valuable coding languages. And the last one I want to show is the animation I create with HTML, JavaScript, CSS. So you can create sort of animation after completing that video series. You can get very creative and design some nice visual and special effects. It will easy. So guys, I can assure you that you will be able to find a job as a front-end designer after completing my first video series. After complete website design video series, you can start the JavaScript video series, moving on PHP video series followed by Laravel with Vue.js video series. You will create lots of real-world examples in each course. Just imagine being able to land your first job as a full-stack software developer after completing all my video series. I think the aim of the channel is noticeably clear, right? I do hope you will enjoy my channel and that you will invest in yourself for your future. Thank you for stopping by and taking the time to reach the end of this video. I hope to see you again in the next video tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to be kept informed about my new and upcoming videos. I am so excited to start this journey with you and feel free to drop me a message if you have any question. See you in my next video. Have a great day guys.